Hi everyone, I am Bansal, one of the founder of Artiset Campus. Artiset Campus was designed as a solution for students who are looking for jobs and placements. As we all know that today there is a huge gap between the education system and what is the industry's expectation. As our nation has been growing in economy, our nation has been growing in the manufacturing sector, our nation has been growing in the technology sector, the education system has not been able to meet that pace or adapt to the technological needs of the companies. So, as a solution, our parents have been putting up so much effort, so much money, so much time in getting their students educated, in getting them ready for the companies so that these students can get jobs. However, still there is a huge gap that exists between the students and the industry needs. What is the solution to this is Artiset Campus. Artiset Campus came into existence to provide different opportunities to the students. We provide students training on the latest technologies in the market like data science and analytics, artificial intelligence, SAP, web development, agile, business analysis, and many more like these. Secondly, Artiset Campus provides them to work on live projects. These live projects are the POCs, the proof of concepts that are given by companies to us, which are the real world projects which are getting implemented in these corporates. Thirdly, Artiset Campus provides the students with an internship opportunities. These internship opportunities are, a lot of our clients are looking forward to hire some interns paid stipend for 6 months, 9 months or 12 months, where they want them to come to their offices, work on the real projects and contribute to the industries in real time. Fourthly, Artiset Campus provides the corporate culture to any of the students that are working with them. So we maintain the corporate decorum, we maintain the corporate culture, we maintain the corporate ethics, such that these candidates are readily prepared and are more adapted to a corporate environment, and they can start working there the next day they get inducted into the corporate world. Finally, Artiset also provides these candidates a placement, full-time placement opportunities. A lot of these companies, when they are looking for a young mind, they reach out to us with their open positions, and the Artiset Campus students readily get these opportunities to apply for these options and get a job into this. So we look forward of you to get registered with Artiset Campus. Join us. It's a community by student for student.